Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. After a workout, you'll need some fuel, and our family loves Huel. I appreciate how light this powder is, but it's packed with amazing plant-based protein like faba pea, hemp seed, and flaxseed oil, with a total of 20 grams of protein and 27 vitamins and minerals at just 110 calories. This is our family's go-to protein powder. And if you're not a fond of the taste of whey, then you'll be in love with this Huel powder mix. You can just use water and shake it, but I like to use ice, a piece of frozen banana, and almond milk. And I totally feel like I'm having a reward after exercising because this chocolate fudge brownie tastes like an amazing ice cream shake. You will love it. So get your fuel from Huel and have this on reorder. You will love the chocolate fudge brownie taste. We enjoy it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.